Good afternoon. My name is Chef Gian, your teppanyaki trainer for today. This one, Chef Kevin, almost 2 months training for teppanyaki chef. Okay? Tingnan natin guys sa 2 buwan niya kung ano improvement ng pagpapractice niya. Okay. Ready? Oops. 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 Japanese Tai Chi. Good. Hop, Japanese helicopter. Opa, hop. One more. Diretso. Okay. Japanese. Okay lang. Hopa. Tenyo. Bend the back. Galing. Good job. Hop.
Side.
Side. Hop.
Side
Hop.
again.
Helicopter. Hop. Hoy! Thank you. Okay na guys. Thank you so much. Chef Frank. Ito na Frank.